लहराई मुझे आए।
This is AIO India TV. Namaste, my name is Joel Almeida and I'm super excited to tell you about what's on your plate. It's the very first episode of our restaurant review program and we're come down south to Margao opposite Hari Mandir, one of the most popular restaurants, spicy restaurant. It's a family restaurant and bar. So let's take a look, let's meet the folks who work here at Spicy Restaurant as well as the owners, and let's put something on that plate of yours.
Welcome to Spicy Restaurant.
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh no. There's much that I can do. Really thought be us two, and I miss you, baby.
So I've got the owner of Spicy Restaurant, Rohit Naik, with me. First of all, I should congratulate you. He recently got married to this lovely, pretty young lady, Chetrali. Chetrali, you can say hi to our listeners as well.
Hello.
So tell me, has he changed from before marriage to after marriage? Not really. He's still the same. Does he annoy you a lot?
Yes, very much.
He does. How about she annoys you as well?
Every day.
Every day. Rohit Naik is just around 28, 29 years old. Successful businessman. This is his first restaurant. The second restaurant also opened close by in Mungul on the way to Kolwa. So you have a lot of unique dishes that you prepare here at Spicy Restaurant. One of the most popular ones, of course, is you're known for your thalis. And what made you come up with that name? It's a very interesting name as well, right?
Yes, our thali is it's named after my mom makes all those masalas, so it was named called Aicha Hatcha. So Aicha Hatcha means she prepares most of the masalas, and so there is a homely touch to the food, and we see that every time there is something different in the thali. If you take the thali today, tomorrow there will be something different, one dish where you will say that okay, I'm getting something new. And there are some dishes like lapeta chicken kebab. I have not seen it in Goa anywhere. When I used to dine a lot, and I have not seen those dishes.
So there are a lot of dishes that actually make your restaurant stand out from your competition.
Yes.
as well. Okay, you're by profession you're a doctor, right? So now you're also going to get into the restaurant business, or will you continue
No, I'll
your
continue
profession?
with my profession.
You will.
Yes.
Okay.
But besides that, I'm also a foodie, and
Okay.
that's how I'm in love with spicy.
Okay. Is that so? You actually came to this restaurant before you met Rohit?
Yes.
So you fell in love with him
I used to come maybe once a month. I used to come here.
regularly
Yes, for thali.
for thali.
Amazing.
So did
Even the sizzlers and all, I used to come here. I preferred coming here. And finally I got married.
So did you actually fall in love with him after enjoying the thali, or after seeing him in particular? But I know you'll have recently got married and you'll have absolutely no time actually. You're so busy with both the restaurants
Yes.
right now. When are you going to go for your honeymoon?
Soon.
How about you ask
season.
it? In the rainy season, in the monsoons, of course.
So we're busy with our new venture. That's our new one.
Okay,
So we just started with that.
the one in Mungul, right?
Yes.
So, since everyone talks about your thali, Aicha Hatcha thali, I think it's time for me to, gorge in one of those Aicha Hatcha thali.
Yeah, surely.
So I get that. We'll maybe ask the waiter to order for one. And
Authentic.
and let me tell you something. He's an excellent liquid chef. So we'll get him to make one of his great cocktails as well for us. Anything on your mind?
One of the drink which I had made for Bacardi Legacy competition almost 8 years before. So I'm going to make this drink called Little Orange.
Little Orange.
He was also a runner-up, I guess, for Bacardi Legacy, right?
Yeah, I have been to the semi-finals of Bacardi Legacy, and in 2013 I won Bowls Around the World. That's in Dubai.
That's in Dubai, right? That's a very popular competition, right?
It's one of the hype competition called Bowls Around the World. It's based on the Bowls liqueurs.
Okay. Wow, super. So let's try one of those cocktails, and I'll later enjoy one of your thalis as well. Okay. Rohit Naik, as you know, was a liquid chef by profession. He kind of gave that up to an extent, but he still follows his passion here at his restaurant where he makes some amazing cocktails. He was one of the best liquid chefs in the country. Bhadrao, what's special today?
Today we are going to make one of my drink that I had made for Bacardi Legacy competition. That's called Little Orange. Even my favorite and one of my best friend called Marcelino. The cocktail is based on him. He used to love one girl. He used to very small and tiny. So her face was like an orange.
Okay.
So we used to call her Little Orange.
Okay.
So this cocktail is dedicated to him. We are going to start with muddling of some orange, like fresh orange chunks.
Uh-huh.
Muddling helps to remove the juices out of the fresh fruit. After that, we are going to add little bit of spice because in love there is little spice is needed when it comes to moog, as you call it in Goan language.
Absolutely. So what's the spice you're using?
It's a ginger, fresh ginger,
Okay.
and we are going to add a little bit of elderflower syrup by morning to add little bit of sweetness to the love. Then we are going to add a little bit of sourness by passion fruit syrup. It's sweet, tangy, bit of sour taste to it.
Uh-huh. So this is something that he first made, right? Your friend Marcelino?
No, that cocktail was made by me. It was made by me that there was a competition in Bacardi Legacy, so I was going through. They needed a good story for it, and I was coming up with something with orange. So I said, why not add their story into it?
Okay.
So it has. So like love, this cocktail has sweet, sour, a little bit of spice into it, and now we are adding the twist like the Bacardi, which is gonna give the magic moments to this cocktail.
So you didn't tell us, did she like the cocktail?
Yeah, she loved it.
She loved the cocktail.
But she left him.
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh,
That's strong. But I think it has this hint of sweet and sourness as well. That's kind of like every love story, isn't it?
Yes, it has sweetness, and the main thing is the Bacardi adds the emotion part of it. So
Absolutely.
when the girl will leave you, you need a Bacardi too.
I mean, I need quite a few of these, you know?
Yes.
Right, Rohit? But I think it's really nice. Thank you, Rohit. Little Orange?
Yes.
You got a patent. Trademark that.
I'll do it.
So this is the much hyped about thali we all hear about here at the spicy restaurant. It's got some muro bhaji, it's got the regular kismur, as well as tisru, some kulya as well, which is crabs. And this curry is one to die for. I know because I literally drink that curry off, take it in a spoon and actually drink it off this way. And of course a nice big piece of kingfish as well. There's this regular salad and the soul curry is with a twist as well. It's got cream in that coconut cream. So it's got a dessert as well, a nice cute little apple. So, and here's the cocktail. Let's take a sip of that. a little orange. So we got Rajesh, one of the regular customers here at Spicy Restaurant. Hi Rajesh, thank you for being on AIO India TV. What do you have to say about Spicy Restaurant?
It's a nice restaurant, little different taste. I like to eat my home food like.
Okay.
You can get here everything.
Okay.
Fish and chicken. Everything you get like home food. That's why I prefer this.
Correct. So you enjoy the thali. What would be your favorite dish over here?
I'm a very big fan of eating. I love eating. But usually I come here because of I feel like I came at home.
Okay. Thank you. So that was Rajesh with his review of Spicy Restaurant. Thank you, Rajesh, and keep enjoying your meals at Spicy Restaurant. Thank you.
Show me the way I can be with you. You with her, I know I saw you. Breaks my heart, but what can I do? It is life, I know I lost you for good.
So headed down to Kolwa Beach. Not actually to Kolwa Beach. We're on that Kolwa Mongol Road where we're visiting the other spicy restaurant. And I'm with my partner in crime. He's behind the lens right now. Raghav's with us. Raghav's not going to come on camera because he's a little too shy. But I promise you that I'll get Raghav as well in one of the future episodes of What's on Your Plate. So you've got to keep a lookout for What's on Your Plate right here on AIO India TV. Finally, the spicy restaurant here in Mongol.
Welcome to Spicy.
Thank you. How are you?
Fine.
Good. How are you?
Good.
I think we can. This is the team over here of the guys who bring food to your table, so we can say hello to them as well. There's a lot of nice, interesting caricatures as well over here. Something which really stands out is that board, the menu board. Come, let's go have a look at that.
Coming back today, but you didn't. Oh no, no. There's much that I can do. Really far being us two, and I miss you, baby. Show me the way I can be with you. You with her, I know.
Come to the end of today's journey here at the Spicy Restaurant with my partner in crime, Raghav. The Spicy Restaurant, of course, he's a good friend of mine, Rohit Naik, but apart from being a good friend, that man's a very, very good enterprising individual, and that's how he's grown in the last 3.5 years to 2 restaurants. He's into the catering business as well. Food, no complaints, absolutely. Like I mentioned right at the beginning, that curry at which we ate at the Spicy Restaurant, Aiche Hatichi curry, I can have that again and again and again and still not get tired of it. So this is the Spicy Restaurant. There's absolutely no complaint of food, of course. And it's time for you to come visit the Spicy Restaurant as well. The one in Mongol, which we're at right now, and the one in Margao, and there's lots of other dishes as well on the menu. And don't forget to ask Rohit to make one of his special cocktails for you. All of us from AIO India TV for now say goodbye to you, but we'll see you back soon with more on that plate of yours. Thank you for joining us today.